Right, welcome to day 2 at the Guyra show. No show, it'd be a complete country show without local cooking. So we'll show you a little bit of cooking here. There's pikelets down there. This is the children's section. Adult cake section, including a couple of gigantic decorated cakes here. And we'll have a look at the handcraft section here. Always good at the Guyra show. I'll zoom in there and you can see in front there the champion crochet work. Some nice little figures made here. Quilts, always one of my favourites. Needlework, patchwork, those type of things. Takes a lot of work to do them. They usually come out and they're very, very nice. Now we'll show you some of the fruit and veggies here, and we'll tell you a little bit of story because you always learn things about the show. That's the idea. Now you see the champion potato exhibit here, Jeff Bury. Those potatoes go back to World War II. The American forces used a lot of Australian farmers to produce food for their troops in World War II, and these potatoes here go right back to World War II. So you learn something by coming to your local show, and it's great to see that Jeff and his family continued that tradition. You see the other fruit and veggies over there behind it. Wool in the background, one of the best wool exhibits in northern New South Wales, in fact Australian country shows. We've got the spinners and weavers here working away very, very hard. With the artworks there, fine arts in the background, jams and preserves here. Many a story we could tell you about jams and preserves, having been a judge, what people do and what they shouldn't do, how they try and flout the rules. So you've always got to know what you're doing. It's not always fair play at country shows. Photography, good exhibit of photography in the background there. And of course Guyra is renowned for its dahlias. So let's go and have a look at the dahlias. So we're in the horticultural section, and here you'll see spider dahlias, pom-pom dahlias, all different types of dahlias. We won't show all of them to you. Certainly a lovely display of dahlias here. Different colours. So the colours don't show up the best on the screen, but nevertheless they are. And of course Guyra is also well known for the hydrangeas, so let's have a look at those. So here we are looking at the hydrangeas. Quite a variety of them. Of course there are other flowers around, but some of the more unusual ones that we'll probably show you later. Some of the shows, you might have to wait till November to Bulladella. They always have some nice ones there. That was where, if you've been watching my clips, you would see artichoke flowers. You know, I know we've got to wait on hydrangeas and the dahlias, but we'll have a quick look at some of the other roses and things like that. They're around. So, champion flowers at the show. Lovely mauve colours. So give us a like and visit your country show wherever it is. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up for this clip.